Let's proceed to practice problem number 4. Imagine watching a video of a bee pollinating a flower. How does this interaction show that reproductive system of the plant is connected to external factors like animals as part of its survival system? Given a bee interacts with a flower during pollination. Required. Show how this relates to the plant's reproductive system. So solution. Bees transfer pollen from one flower to another. Pollination leads to fertilization and seed formation. Final answer. The reproductive system of the plant depends on external agents like bees to complete reproduction. Practice problem number 5. When observing a photograph of a plant with broad green leaves, how does the leaf structure relate to photosynthesis, and how is this connected to the stem and roots? Given a plant with broad green leaves, required explain leaf structure and its relation to photosynthesis and other parts. So solution, leaves have chlorophyll to capture sunlight. Photosynthesis produces glucose. Stem transports this food. Roots supply water and minerals. Final answer. Leaves, stem, and roots cooperate to produce and transport food, ensuring the plant's survival. Practice problem number 6. If a fish gills were not functioning properly, what chain of effects would this cause on the other system of its body? Circulatory, muscular, nervous. So we're given a fish with gills not functioning properly. So explain the chain of effects on body system. Our solution: without oxygen from gills, circulatory system cannot supply oxygen. Muscles weaken due to lack of energy. Nervous system malfunction. So final answer, the fish cannot breathe properly, leading to systemic failure and death if unresolved. Practice problem number 7. Using a video of a growing seedling, explain how different plant parts develop over time and begin to function together as a complete system. So we're given a video of a growing seedling. So required, explain how plant parts develop and function together. So solution, roots develop first to anchor and absorb. Stem grows upward for support. Leaves unfold for photosynthesis. Reproductive parts form later. So the final answer, the seedling gradually develops into a system where roots, stem, leaves, and flowers coordinate survival and reproduction. Practice problem number 8. looking at a video of a fish eating. Explain how the digestive system, circulatory system, and muscular systems interact to produce food and provide energy. Given a fish consuming food, required explain interaction of digestive, circulatory, and muscular system. Our solution: digestive system breaks down food. Nutrients absorbed into circulatory system. Muscles use nutrients for movement and survival. Final answer: the systems interact to provide energy for swimming and sustaining life. Practice problem number 9. A photograph shows a sunflower turning toward the sun, heliotropism. Which plant parts are involved in this response, and how do they coordinate to support growth? So we're given a sunflower turning towards the sun. Required: identify parts and explain coordination. So solution: stem cells elongates on one side due to hormones. We call it auxins. Leaves and flower head face sunlight for better photosynthesis. So the final answer: stem and leaves coordinate to maximize light absorption and growth efficiency. Practice problem number 10. If an animal loses one of its fins, for a fish, how would this affect its overall system of movement, feeding, and survival in its environment? So we're given a fish missing one fin. So required: explain effects on survival. So solution: loss of fin reduces balance, steering, and swimming speed. Harder to escape predators and catch prey. May affect overall energy efficiency. Final answer: the loss of a fin disrupts the system of movement and survival, lowering the fish chances of thriving. MCQ for our Quarter 3 Biology Lesson Roman numeral number 1. Life as a system. Understanding how plants and animals function through interrelated parts. Number 1. A sunflower's roots absorb water and minerals. Which plant part transport these resources to the leaves? Letter A, flowers. Letter B, stem. C, seeds. D, petals. MCQ number 2. In a photograph of a fish, which structure allows it to extract oxygen from water? Letter A, scales. Letter B, gills. C, fins. D, swim bladder. MCQ number 3. When viewing a video of a bee pollinating a flower, which plant part directly benefits from this process? Letter A, roots. B. Stem. C. Flower. D. Leaves. MCQ number 4. If the leaves of a plant are damaged, which life processes is most directly affected? Letter A. Photosynthesis. Letter B. Water absorption. Letter C. Reproduction. Letter D. Seed dispersal. MCQ number 5. In a video of a fish swimming, which system provides the energy needed for its muscles to move? Letter A. Nervous system. Letter B. Circulatory system. Letter C. Digestive system. Letter D. Skeletal system. MCQ number 6. A photograph shows broad green leaves. What is their primary function? Letter A. Anchoring the plant. Letter B. Transporting nutrients. Letter C. Capturing sunlight for photosynthesis. Letter D. Producing seeds. Number 7. If a fish loses one of its fins, what would be its greatest challenge? Letter A. Breathing. Letter B. Movement and balance. Letter C. Food digestion. Letter D. Reproduction. MCQ number 8. Which plant part contains chlorophyll necessary for photosynthesis? Letter A. Stem. Letter B. Roots. Letter C. Leaves. Letter D. Flowers. MCQ number 9. In a video of a seedling sprouting, which part grows first to ensure water and nutrient absorption? Letter A. Leaves. Letter B. Stem. Letter C. Flower bud. D. Roots. MCQ number 10. Which system in animals ensures that oxygen and nutrients are delivered to cells? Letter A. Circulatory system. Letter B. Nervous system. Letter C. Digestive system. Letter D. Skeletal systems. MCQ number 11. In a photo of a sunflower, which part is responsible for reproduction? Letter A. Roots. B. Stem. C. Leaves. D. Flower. We will have the next part of our Quarter 3 Biology Lesson number 1.